Hello, amazing learners! Welcome to our spelling and reading adventures. In this lesson, we will spell and read words with the digraphs. KN, pronounced as N. QU, pronounced as Quo. And NG, pronounced as Ng. Come, spell and read with me. Not. K N O T. Let's spell the word again. K N O T. Not. Let's read the sentence. There are different kinds of knots. There are different kinds of knots. Night. K N I G H T. Let's spell the word once more. K N I G H T. Night. Read the words after me. The night has a sword. The knight has a sword. Knife. K N I F E. Let's spell the word once more. K N I F E. Knife. Let's read the sentence. He uses a knife to slice the meat. He uses a knife to slice the meat. No. K N O W. Let's spell that again. K N O W. No. Read the words after me. Jane knows how to read. Jane knows how to read. Queen. Q U E E N. Let's say that again. Q U E E N. Queen. Now let's read the sentence. The queen sits on the throne. The queen sits on the throne. Quail. Q U I L L. Let's say that again. Q U I L L. Quill. Read the words after me. I can write with a quill. I can write with a quill. Quiet. Q U I E T. Let's spell that again. Q U I E T. Quiet. Read the words after me. Be quiet. The baby is asleep. Be quiet. The baby is asleep. Quail. Q U A I L. Let's spell the word again. Q U A I L. Quail. Now let's read the sentence. The quail lays eggs. The quail lays eggs. Sing. S I N G. Let's spell that again. S I N G. Sing. Read the words after me. Bill sings beautifully. Bill sings beautifully. Ring. R I N G. Let's spell the word once more. R I N G. Ring. Now let's read the sentence. The ring is expensive. The ring is expensive. Great job, children! You did it! Remember to always practice spelling and reading so you can improve your English skills. Thank you for watching. If you found this lesson helpful, please click like and subscribe.